GNY Equipment is a made-in-USA manufacturer located in Bayshore, New York, serving aviation ground fueling operations throughout the world, focusing on airports worldwide. GNY Equipment manufactures 27 different product lines, including the unique floating suction assembly. In nearly 40 years, GNY has completed more than 200 jobs and supplied over 500 floating suction assemblies worldwide. GNY uses all modern metal fabrication equipment, such as power shears, press brakes, and roll forming. The GNY machine shop handles a wide variety of metal turning, drilling, milling, grinding, and all welding operations, which are done by certified welders. The floating suction assemblies are used in horizontal and vertical aviation storage tanks, which are above or below the ground, with or without a floating roof. The GNY floating suction assembly is designed to deliver a cleaner product, such as cleaner jet fuel, by drawing the fluid closest to the surface. This is efficient because water, foreign particles, rust, and debris settle at the bottom of the tank due to gravity. The suction intake includes a stop leg and pipe supports in order to maintain an undisturbed tank bottom and minimum vortex formation. The assembly also reduces inlet velocity with special bow mouth, therefore the bottom remains undisturbed. In an inverted installation, the assembly can also skim oils from the top of the water runoff in settling tanks. Each GNY floating suction assembly is designed with proprietary calculations, using AutoCAD software and Excel to suit customers' tank specifications. Each unit is supplied with a technical booklet, including instructions for unpacking, initial setup, and fueling servicing operations. A list of spare parts is also provided. The GNY floating suction assembly is offered in sizes from 2 inches to 36 inches, in combination of aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel epoxy coat. The aluminum swivel joints that are part of the floating suction assembly are offered in sizes from 2 inches to 10 inches, with 2 rows of widespread ball bearings. The heavy-duty epoxy-coated carbon steel and stainless steel swivel joints are offered in sizes from 2 inches to 36 inches, with 2 rows of widespread ball bearings. Triple seal design from Teflon, Viton Seal, and Buta-N Seal for submerged application. The carbon steel swivel joint seal contact raceways are overlaid with corrosion-resistant stainless steel lining. Both carbon steel and stainless steel ball raceways are fusion hardened for heavy-duty load bearing capacity up to 345 bhn. The floating arms are made from aluminum or stainless steel piping and tubing lengths, and sizes are dependent on installation requirement, available from 2 inches to 36 inches. The bell mouth includes a low-velocity conical configuration with a baffle plate and anti-vortex plate. The stainless steel floats are designed with separate compartments and are all pressure tested. Unsinkable foam-filled float assemblies are available. The uncoated stainless steel inspection cable is standard, and tethered cable is included in the assembly. Accessories available to fit particular installations include 3-point sampling system, chain or roller assembly for floating roof, level indicators showing arms position from outside the tank. All swivel joints are internally air tested and hydro tested at the GNY machine shop before shipping. Floating arms with flanged ends are air tested and hydro tested. The stainless steel floats are air tested. GNY also conducts a stress test on few units, such as a floating suction of 24-inch, by 60 feet aluminum arm in 3 sections, with carbon steel epoxy coated swivel joint and stainless steel floats to simulate field conditions. GNY stress testing is conducted to eliminate possible stress due to a stuck swivel joint and other field operational failure possibilities. All GNY floating section assemblies are packed in wooden boxes right before shipping.